students, in this video we are going to discuss some important questions from Standard 9 Maths. The first question is evaluate 104 whole to the power 3 using a suitable identity. So let's start. We can break 104 cube as 100 plus 4 cube. And then we can apply the formula of a plus b whole cube. We can write it as, in brackets we can write that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab whole a plus b. We can write that this is only the formula of a plus b whole cube, and now we can evaluate. So 100 cube plus 4 cube plus 3 into 100 into 4 plus 100 plus 4. Now this will come as 10 lakhs, this will come as 64, this will come as 1200, and this will come as, here we need to multiply, and this will come as 104. So after the multiplication and addition, we will get the answer as 11,24,864. So this type of questions are very important, in which you can be given a number whose square or cube is asked, and you can be asked to evaluate that sum with the help of an suitable identity. So the next question is from the mensuration chapter. The diameter of moon is 1/4 of the diameter of earth. Find the ratio of their surface areas. This question is very simple. Just write that diameter of moon is 1/4 that of diameter of earth. This is only given in the question, or you can write it as 2 radius of moon is equal to 1/4 into 2 radius of earth, because we know that diameter is double of the radius. After solving this, you can get that radius of earth is 4 times the radius of moon. So now we can just put the ratio of the surface areas, that is surface area of moon by surface area of earth. You can write it like this, that is S moon by S earth, and that is going to be 4 pi r, that is of moon square, by 4 pi r of earth square. Now we have found the relationship, and after putting the relationship we will find that S of moon by S of earth comes to be 1/16. So this was only the demand of the question. So we have found that S of moon by S of earth, that is surface area of moon by surface area of earth, is coming to be 1/16. So this is an important question. Such questions, ratio based questions, can be asked. So just you should know that what is the formula for surface area, and you derive the relationship between the differentiable terms, variable terms, and just put the values, and you can easily cancel. We can here easily cancel this, and just we were left with r moon square by r earth square. So if you substitute the value of r moon or r earth in any of those, you can easily get the answer. Let's practice some more questions. The next question is from factorization. The question asks, factorize 2x to the power 5 plus 432x square y cube. So just what you do that, let's start the solution. Let's take 2x square common. Then we will be left with x cube plus 216 y cube. Now here very easily, here you can apply the formula of a cube plus b cube. This identity we can use and easily we can solve the question. So let's solve 2x square. Now put a big bracket. Now we can do it as, we can express it as this also, like x cube plus 6y whole cube. Now we can do 2x square whole, or we can write it as 2x square whole x plus 6y big bracket x square minus x into 6y plus 6y whole square. This is not very hard. This is just the identity which we have used. That is a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b whole a square minus ab plus b square. So just we have used this identity. If you learn the identity, you can easily solve this question. Next, we have got the answer. The answer will be 2x square whole x plus 6y whole x square minus 6xy plus 36y square. So this is only the answer for this question. The question was very easy. Just you should have the capacity to take commons and you should know the formula, that what is the formula for a cube plus b cube, and then you can easily solve the question. So for this video, this much only. Thank you.